Yo guys and gals, what's up today? I am going to do the most funniest lit out video here tonight. And I got some of my sister's stress balls and fidgets and stuff like that. And I figured, she's not here right now, but she will probably see this here in a little bit when I upload it on the YouTube or go send it to her. But anyway, here's one of the stress balls. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Now let's see what else we have here. We have a fidget. Pretty cool thing. Here's some more of them. Oh, and this is very, very cool. These, all you do with these right here is you take them and you just pop. You just take them and you pop them like this. Let's see if I can make one come. See, I don't know if you can see that, but hang on a minute. You take and you just do like this. Ain't that pretty cool? How? Let's move on here. We have another little fidget. Looks like, to me, a soccer fidget. And this is very cool out here. You take this. Ooh, wee! Look at that. See, all those colors come out just perfect. Now, and I don't know what you call these. Looks like it has a little marble ball. I don't know if you're supposed to put your finger through it. I have no idea, but there you go, folks. Then you got this. Looks to me like this is a porcupine or prick, or maybe a little bit of a hedgehog or something. Spikes, sort of. Moving on, I'm holding the very best for last, though. Then you got more of these right here. And then, let's see here, and you have this. Another one of these. Got one more of these. Now, I say the very best for last. And you may be thinking, what the heck am I talking about? These here are the monkey doodles. Now, do I look like I see monkeys coming up on them? No, but they might eventually. Here's one of them. Actually, they're two of the same colors, light green. And then you got like a little light blue. Hey, that matches my shirt. And then you got this here pinkish looking one. And then you got these two blue. And like I said, that's the fidget. That is the fidget and all sorts of fidgets and monkey doodles, stress balls and stuff like that. And my sister hopes she don't kill me when she sees this. But I like doing the lit funniest things and stuff. I might do I did one yesterday on YouTube, and about like 20 some hours ago, one of her slime. You want to check that out. Make sure you check the other videos out on my YouTube page. and stuff. I mean, you'll be lit of what I do there. And I might do a little quick one of some of the slime stuff we made in the past couple of months, so stick around. Thank you for tuning in with the secret stuff that belongs to my sister. Hopefully we don't get into it later on. Just joking. Thank you for tuning in. This will be posted on YouTube with the most funniest stuff that I can pull out of my sister's room to show y'all. This will be uploaded on YouTube here shortly, and then I'll probably do a little what's in my secret or what's in my box here in a little bit. Stay tuned. God bless.